5 signs your PPC advertising campaigns are underperforming and what to do about it. Pay-per-click advertising is frequently a victim of its success. With even the most basic setups producing results, marketing managers and agencies can see it as a plug-and-play solution. A closer inspection, on the other hand, will frequently reveal significant waste. Here are 5 of the most common problems, as well as solutions to them. 1. You find it difficult to maintain consistent results. Frequently, businesses discover that the amount of traffic generated by digital marketing is inconsistent or gradually declining. One of the major factors influencing this is an overly simplistic campaign structure. Having only one ad running for a specific search term is rarely, if ever, the best strategy. Multiple ads optimized for different times of day, devices, and locations provide far more insight into what is and isn't working. Each campaign can thus be evaluated, tested, optimized, and scaled to achieve consistent results. 2. Not enough PPC visitors are converting into inquiries. In some cases, businesses may see good or even high levels of traffic to their website via PPC, but visitors simply fail to take the next step to contact them. In this case, it is often the location to which potential customers are directed rather than the advertisement itself that is at fault. Businesses will lose thousands of pounds due to a poorly optimized landing page. Previously, addressing this issue entailed developing a single landing page with a clear and direct call to action. While this principle remains true, there are now several advanced features that can boost conversions. Using the most recent advances in AI and machine learning, it is now possible to create intelligent landing pages with multiple multi-step forms quickly and effectively. We've adopted this approach across all of our clients and are seeing conversions increase by 30 to 40%. By delivering the most relevant content to each visitor, AI and machine learning eliminate the need for a one-page-fits-all approach to conversion optimization. AI-powered landing pages direct visitors to a landing page variant where they are most likely to convert based on analysis and learning. 3. Your competitors appear to be everywhere and are stealing your share of the conversation. Smart businesses ensure that they have multiple points of contact with their potential customers. Engagement in the form of conversions or inquiries typically occurs after the 9th or 10th time a prospect sees a relevant and timely advertisement. Remarketing is one effective method for accomplishing this. By embedding a tracking pixel on a website or landing page, businesses can retarget potential customers across digital platforms such as Facebook, LinkedIn, and Google. When the use of third-party cookies is phased out, thousands of advertisers will use platforms like Facebook to target their desired audiences, causing a shift in the way digital marketing is carried out. One way for advertisers to stay ahead of this change is to collect as much first-party data as possible, which can be accomplished through the use of remarketing pixels and data collection from lead generation. Creating your multi-touchpoint campaign funnel is critical and, in the end, rewarding. 4. You are unsure of how and where to expand the reach of your campaign. As a result of a poorly thought-out strategic approach from the start, individuals with sizable digital marketing budgets still have very limited ability to leverage their campaigns. You should restructure clients' digital campaigns to provide greater transparency in terms of understanding where the greatest engagement and opportunity lies in terms of campaigns, devices, time segments, and a variety of other factors. This allows you to be data-driven when making key decisions about where to spend your budget, because being informed by results is far more effective than anything else. As a result, you can easily identify where to reduce ad spend and where to increase it. And the results are always impressive, with an average waste reduction of approximately 25%, and an increase in productivity of about 20 to 30% in terms of increased conversion rates and lower cost per inquiry or sale. The main takeaway here is that you should not believe when you are told that there is nothing else that can be done to improve your digital campaigns. We've heard that before and turned things around in a big way within 30 days. 5. You do not have complete control over or ownership of your digital strategy. All too often, many companies' digital marketing is owned by either a single person in their marketing department, or the incumbent agency that manages it. This is extremely risky, as we've seen accounts spend thousands monthly, when the key people in the business don't even know how to access it to view performance. In these situations, a company's in-house staff or incumbent agency may provide very bad advice, which means that not only are they missing out on opportunities to streamline and increase the efficiency of the campaign, But they may also be wasting a significant portion of their ad spend. Companies in this situation frequently have to play a difficult game to obtain a fresh perspective from someone else, but it is ultimately worthwhile. If this describes you, take action right away to start making things right. And a bonus sixth sign is your market is simply too expensive to advertise in, and you don't know how to get around it. For some industries, it is simply too expensive to advertise in an online auction, such as Google Ads, because click costs can be exorbitant. This is because advertisers in those industries are increasing their bids to dominate the paid search results. This may appear strange, but we've seen it happen when a company receives venture capital investment and one of their marketing strategies is to play the long game because they can afford to. As a result, they can afford to pay high fees to generate inquiries because they know the majority of their competitors cannot. However, there are a variety of advanced bidding strategies that can enable advertisers to compete in extremely expensive markets without incurring the inflated costs that their competitors have incurred. Examine all of the smart bidding options available, which enable advertisers to set goals in terms of target cost per acquisition, return on ad spend, or even impression share. The variety of bidding options available enables advertisers to test and measure different campaigns in the same auction until they find one that works for them, their industry, and their budget. In conclusion, now that you know what to do and what not to do, your current campaign and fix them before causing damage to your business. If you want more content like this on how to get the most out of your PPC marketing, make sure to subscribe for more affiliate marketing videos every day.